Throughout history, humans have gazed at the sky in wonder and amazement, seeking to understand the mysteries of the universe. From ancient India to modern-day Japan, the number 108 has been imbued with deep significance in many cultures. But what is it about this number that makes it so special? And how does it relate to the existence of life on Earth? It's fascinating to think that life exists on Earth because of its precise position. Our planet is close enough to the Sun to receive the necessary energy, but not so close that it gets burned off. In fact, it's amazing how the Earth, Sun, and Moon are placed by nature in the web of 108. When we observe the Sun and Moon from Earth, both appear to be of the same size. This is because they are connected by the number 108. During a lunar eclipse, the Moon was able to completely cover the Sun because of this connection. The diameter of the Moon is approximately 108 times smaller than the diameter of the Sun. The mean distance between the Earth and the Sun, known as an astronomical unit, is approximately 108 times the diameter of the Sun. But there's more. The mass of the Sun exceeds that of the Earth by approximately 333,000 times. Interestingly, when this number is divided by 3, the resulting value is 111,000. Multiply this by 0.9729, which is derived from dividing 108 by 111, and the astonishing outcome is once again 108. Thus, a remarkable correlation emerges between the Sun, Earth, and the enigmatic number 108. The distance between the Earth and the Moon is approximately 108 times greater than the diameter of the Moon. The ratio of the distance from the Earth to the Moon to the diameter of the Moon is also approximately 108. And the distance between the Earth and the Moon is divided into 27 equal parts, with each part containing 4 degrees. Thus, 27 multiplied by 4 is 108. But what does this all mean? The number 108 is said to represent the wholeness of existence, with the number 1 representing the universe, 0 representing emptiness or completeness, and 8 representing infinity or eternity. If we ever want to find life on other planets, we should look for planets that have a 108 ratio between them and their moons and the Sun. And the fact that the Moon's 108 ratio makes it revolve around the Earth in 28 days, in alignment with the human reproductive cycle of 28 days, suggests that this connection have played a role in the emergence of life on Earth. The Moon's 108 ratio not only plays a role in the alignment of the lunar eclipse and the reproductive cycle, but it also helps in Earth's axial tilt, which allows for the existence of seasons. The Moon's gravitational pull on Earth stabilizes the axial tilt, which remains relatively constant at 23.5 degrees. Without the Moon's stabilizing effect, Earth's axial tilt would be much more variable, causing extreme climate changes that would make it difficult for life to thrive. So, the Moon's 108 ratio not only helped in the emergence of life on Earth, but it continues to play a crucial role in supporting life as we know it today. Let us discuss about the number 108 and human body. You might have heard of Ayurvedic medicine, which is a traditional form of medicine that originated in India, and is still widely practiced today. According to Ayurveda, the human body contains 108 pressure points or mama points, which are used to promote healing. By stimulating these points, Ayurvedic practitioners believe that they can restore balance and harmony to the body, mind, and spirit using this 108 points of the body. Even on a molecular level, the number 108 appears to have significance. The length of DNA's repeating helix patterns is approximately 3.4 nanometers per base pair, and 108 angstroms equals 10.8 nanometers, which is approximately 3 base pairs of DNA. It is intriguing to consider how the building blocks of life may be linked to this ancient and mysterious number. In addition to the physical body, the number 108 also appears in the realm of spirituality. According to Hindu tradition, the human body has 108 energy lines that converge to form the heart chakra, which is the center of love and compassion. By meditating on this chakra and focusing on the number 108, practitioners hope to open themselves up to greater love and understanding. The number 108 also appears in the most basic of human functions, breathing. The ideal human lifespan is 108 years on ideal scenarios following a stable diet and healthy lifestyle. It is a pity that humans rarely reach that age. The number 108 has a special relationship with the golden ratio, a mathematical proportion that appears in many aspects of nature and art. Specifically, if you take the sine, cosine, and tangent of 108 degrees, the resulting numbers are all related to the golden ratio. This led some to believe that 108 represents a divine harmony or balance in the universe. We have done another video on golden ratio, you may check that out as well. In addition to its spiritual significance, 108 is also an important number in many cultural traditions. For example, Buddhist, Hinduist and Catholic prayer beads have 108 beads, and in Hinduism, 108 is considered a sacred number that is often used in architecture and daily life. In fact, many Hindu temples have 108 steps leading up to the entrance, and there are 108 major Vishnu temples in India. Overall, the number 108 has played a profound role in shaping human beliefs and practices, and continues to inspire wonder and awe today. In Hinduism, the Upanishads are a collection of ancient spiritual texts that are considered to be some of the most important scriptures of Hindu philosophy. While the exact number of Upanishads is a subject of debate, many Hindu scholars believe that there are 108 Upanishads in total. The Upanishads contain teachings on various philosophical and spiritual topics, including the nature of reality, the relationship between the individual and the divine, and the path to liberation or enlightenment. Some believe that the number 108 represents the complete knowledge contained in the Upanishads. In Buddhism, it is said that there are 108 defilements or impurities that need to be overcome in order to achieve enlightenment. These defilements include negative mental states such as greed, anger, and ignorance, as well as more subtle delusions and attachments. By overcoming these 108 defilements, practitioners can purify their minds and achieve a state of clarity and inner peace that is necessary for enlightenment. In yoga, the body is said to contain 108 sacred sites or energy points, known as chakras. These chakras are believed to be centers of spiritual and physical energy, and are located along the spine from the base to the crown of the head. By opening and balancing these chakras through yoga practice, practitioners aim to achieve greater physical and mental health. Chanting a mantra 108 times is also believed to be a powerful practice in yoga. The repetition of a mantra is said to calm the mind, promote concentration, and deepen spiritual awareness. The number 108 is considered sacred in this context because it is said to represent the wholeness of the universe, as well as the relationship between the individual and the divine. In traditional Chinese medicine, there are 108 pressure points in the body. These pressure points are believed to be important for promoting physical and emotional health, and are used in practices such as acupuncture and acupressure. In some cultures, the number 108 is believed to represent the universe. 108 is a Harshad number. A Harshad number is a number that is divisible by the sum of its digits. In the case of 108, the sum of its digits, 1 plus 0 plus 8, is 9, and 108 is divisible by 9. Harshad numbers are considered to be important in some branches of mathematics and are used in the study of number theory. The number 108 appears in various fields, from physics to music to astrology. In physics, the fine structure constant, which describes the strength of the electromagnetic force, contains the number 108. Additionally, the angle between adjacent planets in our solar system is approximately 108 degrees. The sum of the interior angles of a regular pentagon is also 108 degrees per angle. In music, the A note of the natural frequency of 432 Hz, which was used in ancient times, is said to be 108. According to astrology, there are 27 stars, and each star has 4 padas, which equals 108. In astrology, the metal silver represents the moon, and the atomic weight of silver is 108. Furthermore, the melting point of silver is also 1088.93 Kelvin. Interestingly, the number 108 can be derived mathematically, where 1 to the power of 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 to the power of 3 equals 108. Overall, the number 108 appears to hold significance in multiple fields and is considered sacred in many spiritual and cultural traditions. These ratios are believed to have symbolic significance, representing the harmony and interconnection of the celestial bodies and the natural world. In a realm of ancient mysticism, whispered tales speak of a profound secret, the sacred number 108, said to hold the very essence of the universe itself. Deep within the hallowed halls of Hindu temples, this cosmic truth reverberates, compelling devotees to embark on 108 sacred circumambulations, each step drawing them closer to the divine. This interpretation sees the number as a symbol of the underlying unity and interconnectedness of all things, and as a reminder of our own potential for spiritual growth and realization. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.